Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Let's find out how to create a video gallery page with MetaBox and Breakdance. This is an example. The page is a kind of an archive page with a list of videos. Each video is saved in a post of a custom post type. The information of the video is also the default information from the post, even the short description, author, or date. Just the video is saved in a custom field. We have the MetaBox Core plugin here to have a framework to create custom post types and custom fields. You can download it directly from wordpress.org. We'll need some MetaBox's extensions for the advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox AIO to have them all. In this practice, we'll use the MB custom post types and custom taxonomies to create custom post types for videos. And MetaBox Builder to have a UI on the back end to visually create custom fields. We also have the Breakdance here to build the page. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the videos. Since I want to show the author information for each video, I'll go to the Support tab and check this box. After publishing, you will see a new menu displayed here. It's your post type. In this practice, the related information of the video is the default supported by WordPress. So, I use only one custom field to save the video. Also, instead of uploading the video, I use a URL from another place. However, I won't use the URL field. The OEM'd field will be the best choice in this case because Breakdance can display the video preview directly from the link saved in this field. Just go to MetaBox and create it. In the Settings tab, choose Location as the post type and select Video to apply these fields to it. Then, you will see the custom fields in the post editor of the video post type. Now you can fill in the URL of the video into the custom fields. With Breakdance, you should create a global block to get and display information from a post first, then use this global block to display them anywhere on your site. Go to Breakdance and create a new global block. Remember to set a post for live preview. Add a div element to cover the block. Then add a video element inside. You'll see a preview of a random video display now. To replace it with the one we save in the custom field, click on the icon here to insert dynamic data. Then choose the field in the MetaBox section. The video preview will display. For the other information for the video, add a column to separate them into two columns like this. In the first column, add the author element. It will automatically get information about the author from the post. You should configure it a little bit to choose which information of the author will be displayed. Move to the second column. Add the post title for the video title. Next, add a text element. There'll be an icon here when you hover it to insert dynamic data. Choose the author name from the author section. The video description is saved as the post content, so add the post content element. For the publish date, also add a text element, then insert data from the post date. You can add some text or symbol before or after the date by using the prepend and append. That's all to display a video in the block. Add a new blank page as usual. Then edit it with Breakdance. Add a section element to cover all the content in the body of the page. Now, Add the post title element to display the name of the page. Next, look for the post loop builder. In the global block section, choose the one we've just created. Just a form of the Create Global Block display. There is no information. So move to the Query section, choose Custom, and edit the query like this. Choose the post types as videos to get data from this post type. You also can set something here to have the number and order of the video as you want. Then your wanted information about the videos will be displayed. Go back to edit the created global block with Breakdance. Customize each element one by one to have a new look of the block. That's not all. You should go back to the page editor with Breakdance as well to customize the page layout. You'll see the new look of the page. That's done for now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.